be opening a Elmer's glue deep goosey. And let's open it.
Let's open it.
Alright, so we have like these mermaid thingies.
And we have beautiful gluey heart things.
Yep.
It's
They're
like
not hearts. Like, I don't know, some pink thingy.
we have some seeds.
Oh, we have some fishes and some whales. Little mini whales. What do we have here? Gems?
Yeah. We have gems.
Like, I don't know what they are, but they're gems. And of course, we have the whole slime. Alright, so we're gonna pick two, and Helena, you go first. Oh, you got one? No. Oh, you can do that. Alright, so I get these two, the mermaid kind of, I don't know what that is. I get this one, and I get the fish one.
Yeah!
I
Now
got
I'm gonna open it.
juice and some glitter.
Juice?
No, like
You said juice.
not juice.
That's what I'm hearing. Do you mean gems?
Gems.
Oh
I
my
have
God.
some gems. I have some.
Oh my god.
And I have some
It smells
juice.
so good.
That's some-
Helena, you smell it?
Wow.
Oh my god. It's so, feels like, what is it called? Feels like jelly. Or jello.
I need some help.
Yeah. No, not all of it. You don't need all of that. It's clear. Alright, let me get some.
It's like
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow.
It's dripping down.
look at mine. They broke it on.
Uh-oh. It's so long.
Look at mine, guys.
Can't rip it. This is too, it's so stretchy. Oh, you get it on mine? We're gonna flat it out, guys. Oh,
I don't know how to flap this out.
I do. Oh my god, it's a bubble. I made a bubble.
Wow!
This is like Swiss Bob.
What?
What's that?
Okay, now I'm ready to open it.
Oh, man!
Oh, that was crazy. This is mine, guys.
Look at mine. Mine has some juice.
I got a lot of them, but I'm gonna get more on it. Oh my god.
Look at all these glitter, guys.
Wow!
It's some on my hand, too.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Mine has a lot.
And this is the one, this kind
This
of turned
is mine. This is my glitter palooza.
Oh my god, I got so much glitter in there. Sausage Gaga. It's the biggest sausage in the world. Mine is super long. He's going up the table.
Wow!
I can't go anywhere else.
In a Jill bucket cake.
Joe.
Now Jill.
It's Jewel, not Jewel. Alright guys, so we hope you had fun. And subscribe, like, and share. Bye!
Bye.
Whoa. Wait 1 second. Whoa. So sick. What are you doing, Mom? Bye!